How to archive or unarchive photos of Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram. Click on your profile located at bottom right corner of your screen, and then click on your post that you want to archive. You'll find three dots at the top right. Click on three dots, and then you'll find archive option. Click on archive. After that, your post will be archived. To open this post, simply go to your profile, click on three lines on top right corner of your screen, and then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on archive. After you click on archive, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on arrow at the top beside live archive, and at the bottom click on posts archive. After that, you'll find your post that is archived. Click on three dots at the top right. Click on show on profile located at the bottom. Click on show on profile, and then your post will be unarchived. This is how to archive or unarchive post on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.